Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show. I'm Jill, and today we have update number 2 for our self-published cookbook. So vote number 1 was for the spine and the paper wrap that goes on the book. And I'm proud to tell you all that 74 or 76% of you chose the fabric binding, which was our favorite too. I just absolutely love that, and I feel like it's more of a classy kind of cookbook look. Although we did have, we heard some of your concerns about the fabric bindings not being as wipeable or cleanable. So we're going to look into different fabrics and see what we can do about that, or if there's any improvements to be made on there. So our vote number 2 is all about fonts. And if you don't know what that means, that's the typeset that the lettering goes on, but it's for the interior pages, the recipe pages. That's what we're going to do first. So it's for these, and then we will pick the fonts that go along with whatever we choose for the headings to match that type, and then we'll deal with the colors and all of that later. But right now we're just kind of dealing with the titles. Okay, so we decided on, or we narrowed it down to 2 fonts, which was very painstaking. I never knew picking fonts could be this challenging, but we probably spent the last 3 days just scrolling and scrolling through thousands of different fonts because we really want this to look elegant and classy. So we're going to show you the 2 options that we have on the screen. So the first one is called the Montecatini. And we feel like this one is pretty classy, and it looks kind of like an old French cookbook. So that one, we really like that one. The second font is called Wondershine, and we felt like this one had a little bit more of a timeless feel, like an old classy cookbook. So if you're wondering, no, this is not our cookbook. This is just Dr. Greger's cookbook that we use as an example because it had some of the features that we like. Ours does not exist yet. We're making this up and making it with you as we go. So if you want to know how to vote, just follow the link in the description to our new free course for this project. And if you're already a member in our community, you can just click the View Course button to get instant access. You'll see the first page about how to participate, and in the sidebar you will find each update as we post them. Just click on the update in the sidebar to find details on what cookbook feature we are voting on, with a link to enter your vote. If you aren't currently a member in our community, you can easily sign up for the free course and get instant access to start participating. Overall, I am so excited that we get to go through this process together and that you guys are helping us choose some of the options that are going to be on this new cookbook so that we can make it much more, a little artsy, a little more about our true, what our purpose is and what we do here in our kitchen. So thank you all for participating in this.